Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 3rd, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. And as you can see, I'm looking at the daily time frame chart of this market. We are using the Japanese candlesticks, and straight on this market we can see that the Bitcoin is related to the euro, of course, is in a retreat mode, and the last part of this chart, which is looking very tempting for the bulls, might turn out to be a little bit more difficult to assess, to speculate on than you previously thought. First thing is, we got breakout below the trend line. Let me just place the trend line here so you can see what I mean. Let's say this one, not a problem. From this low, we got that trend line here. First bounce, second bounce, and then test and breakout to the downside. So that's the first thing, that the bears are quite strong. The second thing is, of course, the overbalance. So we got this price range here. If we pay attention to the last correction, is minus 5.52 from the recent top to the recent bottom. Let me just take another one. There you go. From the recent top to the recent bottom is minus 9.03. So this correction is bigger than this one, bigger than this one, and this one, which means there is an overprice of overbalance of times and price. But there is one more thing we would like to point out. If we take a look from the from a bigger picture, from a bigger point of view, right, we can see this movement here, this movement here, and this movement here. So there are three waves here, and that correction to the downside, the clear correction that everyone see, is almost 18%, right? So this is likely a half of the previous one. So if we label our market like that, let's say ABC, right? So we got this movement here to the upside. This is the wave A, this is the wave B, and this is the wave C. So this big half of the, this is half of the year, no, it's maybe 1 quarter or something like this pattern here, ABC to the upside, needs a movement more than 18% in order to be confirmed as a completed ABC to the upside, and the downtrend is resumed, right? So for now, ABC to the upside has been completed on the Bitcoin to Euro at the level of 59,000, let's say 651. They broke below this trend line. Let me make it thicker so you can see. There you go. They broke below this trend line. Local low is 54,268. There's one more thing we can do here, because as you can see, there might be some kind of a Fibonacci level here, right? There might be some Fibonacci level of the last wave C to the upside. So let's find it. Let's find out whether there is some Fibonacci level. I think it should be somewhere here. The Fibonacci should be, there you go, Fibonacci retracement. Do we have it? Do we have to do it like this? I think, yeah, because that's the length of the wave C. And we retrace 38%. 58% is 55,048 euro, and now we retrace at least 58%. The next target is, let me just switch the sides of this to the right. So the 50% is roughly around the level of 53,626. So that's the next Fibonacci retracement level. And the last one, very strong, very important one, is 52,204 euro, very close to this technical support here. So that might be very interesting zone in the future. For now, the market is under the bearish pressure. Bears are in charge of the market. We can see that the bulls are trying to move to the upside, but it might end up with a test of this trend line, and then movement to the downside will be continued towards 50 and 61%, unless we have a breakout back above the trend line, back above the swing wave C swing high at 59,651. Then in that situation, in that scenario, we have a very nice shallow correction, only roughly around 38%, and then resumption of the uptrend. For now, we are waiting what the market will do. Very interesting place, very interesting developments. Let's see how this situation will be resolved. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.